Hello, gamers. Today we're playing one of Scott Cawthorne's first games, not a horror game, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. Well, let's continue. I haven't even played. New game. Excellent. Welcome. Well, little tyke, the day has come. Not the beginning of summer or you coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. By the time I was your age, I was building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. The war with the termites has scared us all. Famine, disease, death. Aw, look at his face. None of those things have happened, but it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? Oh, now he's so like, Arr! It might happen if a meteor will hit, so never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. Oh my goodness. Now, get out there and make me proud. I'm giving you a whole acre of land to the right of our cabin. Plant trees, cut trees, build stuff, the whole beaver routine. You will get the hang of it. Show me what you can do and I'll give you more land and more blueprints to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of the cabin and see your acre of land. Go to visit the left. The other weirdos or creatures of the forest. I'll give you a walkie-talkie so you can stay in the touch with you. So I can stay in touch with you. Press the button when you see it flashing. Off you go! Okay. What do I do now? Oh. Why don't you try finding a tree and chopping it down? Oh. Oh, that's funny. Yay! I'm so fast, it's so cute. I thought they... Bad boy! Whoa! Whoa, what happened? Yes! I love this game. So much money! Whoa, I didn't finish collecting! Hey, Dad. No, where'd my stuff go? After you gather a bit more, bring it back to me and I'll make lumber for you. Okay. Oh! Yay, what now? Great job, I'm awesome. This is funny. I'm little beavers, it's so funny. Look at me, wag my tail. All I need now is my fingers up like rock on. What is it? What is that pack? Why don't you try planting a tree? I'll find some soil and then plant an acorn. You have an unlimited supply. How is that possible? Acorn. 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 I'm not done yet, Pop. I'm coming. Enough with the spoon feeding boy. You're a big boy. Go explore for a while. See what you can find. Okay. Okay, Poppy. Can I go this way? Nope. Bye, Daddy. Destroy. Destroy. Oh no, I didn't mean. Oh, I lost my coins. Whoa! I know where I want to live. Acorn. Acorn. Present. Acorn. Acorn. Charge. This is awesome. What? That's so cool. What? Bad. No. How do I get rid of them? Wait, why do I always have a watering can in my hand? Move. Oh, I don't think they even do anything. What's down here? Oh, what happened to my eyes? What the heck? Where am I? Oh, there I am. Up. It was scary in there. What do you expect from me? Well, our furry nemesis has created an offspring. How dreadful. Yes, your father and I go way back. Did you know that he once dressed me like a giant termite and climbed on our highest mound? He dropped a bomb right down the middle of it. Oh boy, there was some mothers crying that day. What a kidder. I have high hopes for you, though. I think you have a good head on your shoulders. If you come across the wood scraps, just bring them over. Maybe we can help each other. What happened? Whoa! Don't eat me! Down! Let me out! Why would you do that to me? Oh, did I die? I'm gonna get caught again. How do I get back up there? Oh, I'm there. Let me back up! Whatever, there's a frig. Hardly ever catch fish anymore. Just stuff dropped from the tiki tree. Here, do you want this? Tiki leaves. Yay! Whatever they are. I miss old Earl. Everyone liked me went to swim with the fishies. He did. Found just floating nearby. Maybe you would see his. Tame grass. Yay! Free stuff is mine. Poor guys. They don't have any fish. Someone then has offered mini games for you to play. Show me your skills at one of them. 1-0. Oh, there's a robot. Coding. I got a Tinker's Clock. Tinker's Clock. Oh, what did I say? How do I play the mini game? The shop. Ready. Can I please play the mini game? There's robots. Mini game, where is it? Whatever. Oh, it stops here. Well, let's go back. Run, little boy. Yee! Oh, it's cotton. Again, yay! Hey, misters. Don't toy with us, smelly one. I hex you so that you will never lay an egg. Again. Wait, whatever. Trade with us. What? Yeah. Behold, this steady old river. No, wait, it's a smelly beaver. Haha, give me all your No. Bye-bye. Oh, did I die again? Oh. Well, that's good enough to end our video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next gameplay.